Hey everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. So if you decided you just watched a video, a short on YouTube, and you decided you like to save the short, but there's no option, and you found yourself in this situation, no problem. I'll show you in this video, I'll help you. I'll show you exactly what you need to do to save YouTube shorts to a playlist or just to save it so you can watch it later. So it's very simple, just like the video. Let's say this is the short, it's my short I just created. Just like this short, the short you like to save, not this one. So save like that short you like to see later, and then go to your library, and here in your library you have liked videos. Here please go to liked videos, and here just tab on select the video you liked that you like to save later, you like to watch it later on. Select it, and now as you can see you have more options here. So as you can see, now we have the save button, and from here you can tap on save, and here you can save your short, right? And you can watch it later. So that's what you need to do. You can also like save it to watch later. That's one way as well, but maybe you want to create a playlist dedicated to shorts, only for shorts. So you can do it, just tap on new playlist, and here just tab on title, write the title, and then write your private video. Just write your private story. Select if you like to just is private, only you can say it, only you can view it, you are the only person, or anyone. You can allow others to watch it, and select public or private. So that's how you do it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.